Press both buttons to turn on the transmitter. If the transmitter alarms, push all switches upward to turn it on. Pull down the nose latch to open the canopy. Connect the battery and wait for the helicopter to finish self-check. Switch the mode to the GPS. Wait for the helicopter to search for satellites until the green light stays on. Toggle the control sticks on both sides. Check if the servos move normally. Hold the helicopter and rotate it in a full circle, ensuring the flight controller remains steadily lit green. Close the canopy and fasten the latch. Inverted V-stick movement to arm the helicopter. Release the sticks and turn the arm switch to run. Wait for the motors to finish spooling up. Push the left stick up to take off. Push the right stick up to move the helicopter forward. Push the right stick down to move it back. Push the right stick right to move it right. Push the right stick left to move it left. Push the left stick right to make it turn right. Push the left stick left to make it turn left. The helicopter has 3 flight sensitivities modes. Flight speed and angle differ with each mode. Flip up the home switch. It will return to the takeoff point and land. Toggle down the C-turn switch, and the helicopter gets roll assist when turning. This creates a simulated banked turn. Pull down the left stick for helicopter landing. Once it's stationary, release the sticks and flip up the stop switch. Wait for the propellers to stop spinning. When GPS signal is weak, the helicopter will drift slowly. Push the sticks in the opposite direction to stabilize it. If the helicopter suddenly ascends uncontrollably, it is initiating low battery auto return. Flip the mode switch to home, then flip it back to GPS to cancel.